Today we're reviewing Ruwac's new transfer HEC system designed to go directly with an MX360 vacuum. As you'll see, this is an onboard Cyclone that mounts directly to an MX360 frame. It allows you to be completely transport this anywhere you want to go. The nice thing about the transfer system, it's going to allow you to separate the material. So if you're looking to separate these valuable metal powders, you can separate the material out of the airstream into your supplied container. We have different discharges. This one's a 4-inch discharge. We have 2-inch discharge as well. Plus we can do custom containers, but it's all on board. So the material is going to enter the Cyclone. It's going to spin out of the airstream. 95% of this dust is going to be here. 5% carryover goes into the immersion separator. That's all your ultrafine dust. That'll be contained safely in the immersion separator, just like you're using it now, and discarding appropriately, where you can reuse the bulk of the powder. So this onboard transfer system is definitely an easy way for you to be able to use your vacuum system to collect and contain materials for reuse. So this has been a review of Ruwac's onboard HEC system for the MX360 immersion separator vacuum.